Hi everybody, welcome back to Number Corner. I wanted to start out today by talking about and looking at the markers for Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday's marker looks like this. You probably notice that it's an equation with a dog on it, and the equation reads 7 minus 1 equals box. Let's real quick figure that out together. Today, instead of using fingers or a drawing, I'm going to use a Unifix cube since we haven't used them in such a long time. So I have 7 Unifix cubes here. Let's count them together to double check that I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The equation says 7 minus 1. Minus means I have to take away. I'll take away 1. So how many do I have left? I can count on 5, 6, or I can count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Sunday's marker looks like this. It's a story problem. And the story problem says, Jack saw some dogs at the park. 4 of them were collies, 3 were beagles. How many dogs did Jack see? So we're trying to figure out how many dogs he saw all together. I drew a picture that would help us think about the story problem a little better. So, Jack saw some dogs. I don't know how many some is, so I don't have a number there. But I do know 4 of them were collies. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 4 collies. And 3 of them were beagles. Now these are just different kinds of dogs, if you don't know. So 3 beagles. 1, 2, 3. How many dogs did Jack see all together? Okay, so these are my parts. I've got a part, and this is my whole. Help me count my whole by counting on. 4, 5, 6, 7. Jack saw 7 dogs in all. And an equation that we could write that matches this problem is 4 plus 3 equals 7. Again, my numbers match my parts. And this is my whole. All right, let's jump in to our regular routine. I'll see you over at the calendar. Sing it with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then we start again. Sunday, Monday. Say the date with me. Today is Monday, May 18, 2020. Yesterday's marker shows a story problem. What do you predict today's marker will be? Give yourself some quiet think time. Pause the video to share your prediction. Now when you make your prediction, think about diagonals, colors, animals, addition and subtraction. What do you think our marker is going to show? Go ahead and pause the video now and hit play when you're ready to check your answer. Go. Okay, are you ready to check your answer? The today's marker looks like this. What do you notice? I notice a cat on a blue background. I also notice the number 18, which matches the date. And the equation reads 4 plus 4 equals box. Now, normally, your job would be to solve this equation, but today we're going to do something a little different because I want you to think about a different part of our number corner. So, we're going to figure this out together, 4 plus 4. Now, when you add the same number again, it's called a double. I think it's really easy to use your fingers to look at doubles. So let's use our fingers to solve 4 plus 4. All right, show me 4 fingers. And we're gonna double it. That means we're gonna add 4 more. Give me 4 fingers on your other hand. How many fingers do we have all together? I can count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or I can count on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Good work. Now let's head on back over to our calendar observation chart, and I'll tell you what your job is for today. Okay, so we have some of our information for our columns. So let's fill those in first before I explain to you what your job is going to be. So I already started on the date on accident without you, so that's why there's a 1 there. But this is the date column. What should I write there? The number 18. So 18. And then the equation that we just figured out today was 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I'm trying to stretch your brain. So that's why, if you've noticed, every day I give you maybe 1 or 2 jobs. Today you have 2 jobs. First, just like normal, we don't have a story problem. So help me think of a story problem to match 4 plus 4 equals 8. But here is the next job for you today. I'm going to bring the camera closer to your observation chart. I want you to take some quiet think time and look for patterns or something you notice in these numbers. And when you notice something, you are going to share with me what you notice and a prediction for what the next equation might look like. All right, I'm gonna bring the camera closer in just a second. I'll meet you up here. All right, so here is the top of our equation chart. I'm gonna just slowly go down. And it might be tricky for you to notice anything like this, but I want you to pay attention to the signs in the middle. What do you notice about the signs? I want you to notice the numbers on the side here. What do you notice there? I'll attach a picture to the video. And one more time, your job is to look for patterns in the numbers and share a prediction with me of what tomorrow's equation might look like. Okay? Try it out. I'll see you then. Bye, friends.